Oh, hello guys, welcome back to Civil Stuff by JP. So here in this video, we will see what is theodolite and what are different components of it. But first, let's see what is theodolite. The theodolite is a precision optical instrument for measuring angles between designated visible points in the horizontal and vertical planes. So in short, we can say that theodolite is a surveying equipment used to take horizontal and vertical measurements or angles. Now let's Google translate the theodolite into Greek. So we'll get the first letter as theta. So as we know, theta is used to denote angle or angular measurements. So the theodolite can be basically used for land surveying, then building and infrastructure construction, and it can also be used for meteorology and rocket launching. Here we have one image showing different component parts. पर इतने सारे कौन याद रखेगा? So we will just remember the prime important component parts which we will require for the actual field work with one technique. So here we have a theodolite, as you can see. So for easy understanding, we will divide the theodolite into three parts. So it will be the bottom assembly, middle assembly and the top assembly. So let's start with our bottom assembly first. So bottom assembly is also called as leveling head assembly. The main purpose of this bottom head is for leveling purpose. Okay, so there are three main component parts in bottom assembly. It is tri-wet, tri-batch and foot screws. Okay, so let's see one by one. So here, as you can see, this lower triangular plate is called as tri-wet. Okay, then we have a top triangular plate. This is called as tri-batch. So between these two plates we have screws, as you can see. Okay, these screws are called as foot screws and are mainly used for leveling purpose. Okay, so basically we have three different components in bottom assembly: tri-wet, tri-batch and foot screws. So now let's move to our next assembly, which is called as middle level assembly. So it is also called as horizontal circle assembly. Why is it called so? Because we have two horizontal circles, two horizontal circular plates. Okay, as you can see. So that's why it is called as horizontal circle assembly. And also we can take horizontal angles by using this middle level assembly. That's why it is called as horizontal level assembly. So let's start one by one. So in middle level assembly, we have plate bubble, then we have lower circular plate, upper circular plate and clamping screws for each individual plate. Okay, so let's see it one by one. So here we can see this is called as plate bubble. I'll show you. This is called as plate bubble. So this is used for leveling purpose. By adjusting the foot screws, it will show whether our theodolite is leveled or not. Okay, so this is used for leveling purpose and it is called as plate bubble. So now we have, as you can see, we have two circular plates. So this is called as lower circular plate and this is called as upper circular plate. Okay, so for fixing them we have two clamping screws. So as we can see, we have two screws. So this is lower and this is upper. So obviously this will be for lower circular plate. So it is called as lower circular plate clamping screw and this is called as upper circular plate clamping screw. Okay, so I'll show you the use of these clamping screws. So now as we can see, both the circles are moving. Okay, so if you want to fix the lower circle, you will tight it and now you can see that the lower circle is fixed and only the upper circle can move. Similarly, if you lose this lower circular clamping screw and tight this upper circular clamping screw, the upper circular becomes fixed and only the lower circle moves. Okay, so it is used while taking the readings for horizontal measurement. So here we have magnifying glass. So from this magnifying glass we can see the readings. So this is the plate and the readings are present inside this plate. Okay, so we can see the readings through the magnifying glasses. So this was the middle level assembly. We have plate bubble, then we have lower circular plate, upper circular plate, lower circular clamping screw and upper circular clamping screw and magnifying glasses. So now we are done with the bottommost assembly, middle assembly. So let's see what is top level assembly, okay, which is also called as vertical alidade assembly. Vertical alidade assembly, okay. So it is used for measuring the vertical angles. So that's why it is called as vertical alidade assembly. So in topmost assembly we have telescope, altitude bubble, vertical circle and vertical clamping screw. So let's see one by one. So here this moving portion is called as telescope, from where we can see the points, okay. So this is called as telescope. So to fix this telescope we have a clamping screw which is called as vertical clamping screw. So here we have, so this is called as vertical clamping screw. So if we tight this, the telescope will not move, okay. So if we lose this, we can move the telescope. So if we are taking a vertical angle, so we have a point at the top, so we will fix this and clamp this. So now we can take the reading without any disturbance, okay. Then we have the vertical circle. As you can see, this circular plate is called as vertical circular plate, okay. So again we have magnifying glasses to take the readings, and this portion, this is called as altitude bubble. Here this is called as altitude bubble. So we are having two bubble tubes, okay. So one was for horizontal assembly and one is for vertical assembly. So when you are taking the horizontal measurements or horizontal angles, at that time use this level tube called as plate bubble, and when we are taking the vertical measurements or vertical angles, we have to use this level tube which is called as altitude bubble, okay. So if you guys like this video, please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Civil Stuff by JP. Also don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you.